Alright guys, we all know that I'm the smoothie queen. Let's not fight about it. Protein, fat, fiber, each of those components that you need in order to tap into fat burning mechanisms can all be squished into one epic little smoothie. So today I wanted to share with you guys one of my latest favorite smoothie recipes. This is one that you can use if you're looking to achieve a weight loss goal, tap into fat burning mechanisms, and if you're also following a detox protocol, especially one that focuses on no or zero sugar. And if you're new to my channel, my name's Autumn. I'm a certified clinical nutritionist with my master's nutrition human performance. You can see on my Instagram feed almost every single day I'm making a smoothie. Guys, I share a lot of smoothie recipes with you, but I have to say this latest one is my masterpiece. So let's jump straight into the recipe. So the key ingredients are going to be chia seeds, Greek yogurt, or you could also use a protein powder if you're plant-based, coconut butter to help the body more easily tap into fat burning mechanisms. It also can be called coconut manna, so just make sure you're looking out for that. And then the last key ingredient will be either matcha, or you can use one of these super convenient matcha packets. And I'm going to be using the Reserve, which is actually today's video sponsor. I'm super picky, like super picky about the brands that I work with, because I only pick brands to work with that I actually use and something that I think you guys will find really useful. So I like the Reserve because they do have a ton of really high quality superfood products. Some of my favorites include the matcha, but I love that it's ceremonial grade and I love that it's certified organic. But they also have some really other cool products like spirulina. I've even shared with you guys my zero sugar keto matcha latte recipe that I only will use with the Reserve. The fact that the Reserve has zero sugar in its matcha products makes it so that you can actually use it with a detox protocol and actually use it to achieve your weight loss goals. Now, just for the AENpeeps, just for you guys, the Reserve is going to be giving you guys 40% off all of their products when you use the link down in the description below. This is valid for 30 days from when this video airs, so make sure that you don't miss out on this opportunity. I mean, 40% off, that is literally insane. All right, so let's dive into the recipe. Okay, we're going to start off with a base of unsweetened coconut milk. You could also use any other type of nut milk if you want. This is my homemade coconut milk, which I will have the details for down in the description below. But unsweetened is crucial if you are really looking to tap into fat burning mechanisms and use this for a detox protocol, because the sugar will really spike up that fat storing hormone insulin, which is not what we want when we're looking to achieve a weight loss goal. Okay, so we have about 8 to 10 ounces-ish of coconut milk. If you like your smoothie a little bit on the thicker side, you can go for 8 ounces. If you like it on the thinner side, you can go for 10, even 12 if you want. So the first ingredient we're going to be adding is 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Chia seeds are really great for boosting the satiety and helping to prevent sugar cravings because it has such a great source of fiber. Plus, if you are following a detox protocol like my 7-day IF detox, having fiber is crucial for the elimination stage of detoxification. So if you don't have enough fiber in your diet, then you run the risk of not really efficiently eliminating toxins. Okay. So next I have what looks-ish to be like 1 tablespoon of coconut butter. Coconut butter is just like almond butter or nut butter, where you basically just take coconut shreds and blend it up, and voila, you have coconut butter. I like it because it does add that extra high quality fat to make you feel satiated and prevent the snacking, but it also just makes smoothies super creamy, which is something that I really like. Okay, so next I'm going to be using the Matcha Glow Latte, which has matcha, collagen, and vanilla, so it's going to just add a little bit extra flavor, but if you want, you could also just use the regular matcha as well. And if you are following a detox protocol, tea and coffee has been found to be really protective of the liver, likely due to all of the really high amounts of antioxidants that are in both coffee and tea, matcha included. So actually having matcha when you are following a detox protocol can be really helpful for protecting the liver, which is one of the key concepts for a detox protocol. Whoa, it smells so good. Okay, so we have some of our fat sources. Now what we need to be doing is getting in our protein. And if you don't have enough protein, that's a really big hindrance to achieving a weight loss goal, because protein is one of those key macronutrients that's needed in order to achieve a weight loss goal and have improved body composition. So I like to get most of my protein from a whole food source, but you can also get it from protein powder. So for myself personally, I'm going to be using about a cup of Greek yogurt to get around 20 grams of protein, which is equivalent to what you'd be getting if you were using a protein powder. Now, if you are using a protein powder, just make sure it is unsweetened, especially if you are using this with a detox protocol. This is already looking so pretty. Okay, so to add in a touch of sweetness, I'm also going to be using a half of a frozen banana. So using the frozen banana makes it so that it's also going to add to the creaminess of the smoothie. I typically recommend keeping it to a half because bananas can really quickly bring up the sugar content, but for this smoothie, it's the only real form of sugar or fruit that we're adding in, so using a half banana is perfect. Okay, so next for a lot of added flavor, I'm going to be adding in mint. So I like to use fresh mint, and it's kind of surprising how much flavor you get out of fresh mint. I found that about a 1/4 cup is necessary to get all of the flavors that you're looking for. And for the final touch, I'm going to be adding in just a pinch of sea salt. Sea salt helps to bring out the natural sweetness flavor without having to add in extra sugar. Well, it smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so refreshing. You know what I just realized would probably also taste really good with this is adding in cacao nibs. You guys should try that out. Let me know how it goes. Whoa. If you're open to using Greek yogurt, highly recommend it because the Greek yogurt with the matcha tastes like a matcha latte smoothie form. And the mint just adds like a little bit more of that zing. Wow, wait. Oh my gosh. I'm also going to add some toasted coconut flakes on it because holy moly. Toasted coconut flakes. Oh. Guys, look at this beauty. Slowly holding my breath, making sure I wouldn't spill any. You guys need to make this right now. Pause the video, go make it, please. I don't usually make green smoothies, but when I do, it's epic. Oh, can't wait for you guys to try this one. Make sure you guys check out the link in the description below to get 40% off matcha and all of the other superfood products that the Reserve has, including the matcha glow latte that I used in this smoothie today. And if you guys do end up getting the matcha, make sure you check out this video next for my 0 sugar keto matcha latte recipe. Oh my gosh, so good. Also, if you're new to my channel and you love the science-backed information, make sure you subscribe right here. Come out with new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. All right guys, I'm going to go drink all of this and I'll see you in my next video.